Let us solve for x given h raised to power x minus 2 is equal to 48. If you have a raised to power m plus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n. Then if you have a raised to power m minus n, this is equal to a raised to power m multiplied by 1 over a raised to power n. If you have a raised to power minus 1, this is equal to 1 over a. Then this can be written as h raised to power x multiplied by h raised to power minus 2 is equal to 48. This is h raised to power x multiplied by 1 divided by h square is equal to 48. This can be written as h raised to power x divided by h square is equal to 48. Now let us cross multiply. This can be written as h raised to power s is equal to h square multiplied by 48. H square is equal to 64. H raised to power x is equal to 64 multiplied by 48. Let us take the log on both sides of this equation. Log h raised to power s is equal to log 64 multiplied by 48. If you have log a raised to power n, this is equal to n log a. Then this can be written as s log 8 is equal to log 64 multiplied by 48. We are looking for the value of s. Let us divide the whole of this equation by log 8. This divided by log 8 and this divided by log 8. Log 8 cancel log 8 here. S is equal to log 64 multiplied by 48 divided by log 8. If you have log a multiplied by b, this is equal to log a plus log b. S is equal to, the numerator here can be written as log 64 plus log 48 divided by log 8. Let us split this. S is equal to log 64 divided by log 8 plus log 48 divided by log 8. Then we know that 64 is equal to 8 square. Then x is equal to log 8 square divided by log 8 plus log 48 divided by log 8. S is equal to log 8 square can be written as 2 log 8 divided by log 8 plus log 48 divided by log 8. Log 8 cancel log 8 here. S is equal to 2 plus log 48 divided by log 8. 48 is equal to 6 multiplied by 8. S is equal to 2 plus log 48 can be written as log 6 multiplied by 8 divided by log 8. S is equal to 2 plus log 6 plus log 8 divided by log 8. S is equal to 2 plus, if you split this, we have log 6 divided by log 8 plus log 8 divided by log 8. Log 8 cancel log 8 here, 1. Then S is equal to 2 plus log 6 divided by log 8 plus 1. S is equal to 2 plus 1, that is 3, plus log 6 can be written as log 2 multiplied by 3 divided by log 8 can be written as log 2 raised to power 3. S is equal to 3 plus log 2 plus log 3 divided by log 2 raised to power 3 can be written as 3 log 2. S is equal to 3 plus log 2 divided by 3 log 2 plus log 3 divided by 3 log 2. S is equal to 3 plus 1 over 3 multiplied by log 2 divided by log 2 plus 1 over 3 multiplied by log 3 divided by log 2. This log 2 cancel this log 2. S is equal to 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 multiplied by log 3 divided by log 2. S is equal to, this is over 1, the LCM is 3. 1 in 3, 3 times 3, that is 9. Then plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 multiplied by log 3 divided by log 2. S is equal to 9 plus 1, this is 10 divided by 3 plus 1 over 3 multiplied by, if you have log A divided by log B, this is equal to log A base B. Then we have log 3 base 2. Then the LCM here is 3. S is equal to 10 plus log 3 base 2 divided by 3. This is the value of x. Let us check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. To check, we have the given equation 8 raised to power s minus 2 is equal to 48. This is 8 raised to power 10 plus log 3 base 2 divided by 3 minus 2 must be equal to 48. Then this is 8 raised to power 10 plus log 3 base 2. This is over 1. 1 in 3, 3. times 2, that is 6, minus 6 divided by 3 must be equal to 48. Then this is 8 raised to power 10 minus 6, that is 4 plus log 3 base 2 divided by 3 must be equal to 48. 8 can be written as 2 raised to power 3 to the power of 4 plus log 3 base 2 divided by 3 must be equal to 48. This 3 cancel this 3. We have 2 raised to power 4 plus log 3 base 2 must be equal to 48. Then this can be written as 2 raised to power 4 multiplied by 2 raised to power log 3 base 2 must be equal to 48. If you have a raised to power log b base a, this is equal to b. And 2 raised to power 4, we have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 multiplied by the whole of this is 3 must be equal to 48. 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2, 16. Then times 3, that is 48 is equal to 48, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Bye.